Hey, found the nut.
Nice.
Got the nut in my mouth. It goes.
Oh, putting nuts in your mouth.
It's a metal one, so it's not. It's like a prosthetic. But what's up, everybody? So my name is Brandon. Welcome back to Ongaro's Garage. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. Usually we do track videos, and that's kind of my thing. But today, well, Susie's starter has gone out. So this video is probably going to be pretty janky. Can't promise you it's going to be very good. But we're going to see how hard it is to change a starter on an LS swapped Subaru BRZ. Let's get into it. Okay, my God, freaking tree and ants, I don't get it. Anyway, let's get started. Oh, yep, they're freaking out. Dilemma. I'm holding the camera in one hand and holding the hood in the other. Let's see how we can do this. I'm just gonna pop that, and we're gonna show off the truck a little bit and put that in there. And okay, and 3, 2, 1. It's a thing of beauty. All right, so the starter is all the way down there, and that's the engine mount, and this thing right directly in front of the camera is a header. So this may be more fun than it really looks. But first thing first, we're going to take, pointing on camera, the battery out. I have no idea how this is looking on camera. That's good enough. And scoop and pull and finagle, and there we go. Got it. Oh no, hey, it's my face. Oh my goodness, messed it all up. Oh no. Okay. Let's just do it like this. Pull that off. Pull this off. Shove that down there, put that over there. Okay, and now we just yoink. Battery out. Onto the next thing. Okay, I was about to get under the car, and then I realized there's ants everywhere, so I might have to rethink this a little bit. Well guys, so I actually had to call in some reinforcements, but while I'm waiting, I was looking over things, and check out what I just found. My brake line was hitting my header. Hey, so that's definitely something you don't want. And then we're gonna try and see if we can't unfurl some of that green and make it not look like that. That's if it'll focus. It's kind of toasty. Ooh. I found something else. Right there. My something sensor right here wiring. Just hitting the pulley, and look at that. Well, I can see at least one wire that is completely cut through. So we're back. The sun is going away very quickly, so the shop light came out. That's Austin. Say hi, Austin.
What's up?
He's my help. It's also my cameraman, also my editor, friend, track buddy.
I do a lot. It's going under.
Gooch. Oh yeah, that's nice and dark.
Yeah, there's absolutely no way to get a great shot of this.
Actually, I need the 13 and an extension. That was a really long bolt. Okay, starter is loose and moving forward past the engine mount.
Nice.
And I've almost got a hold of it. There we go.
Oh, you can hear the sirens in the background.
Nice. I just need to stay where it's at so I can get to that. You think one's compensating?
One's got a lifted truck.
Yeah. How much extension do you need? Yes.
I've got enough extensions to add an extra 3 feet.
Awesome. And now that awkward silence where everybody is holding their breath. That went all the way down. But that means I got it. Wow, that's gonna be fun. I can see what I'm doing, Mom, I swear. Hey, found the nut.
Nice.
Got the nut. In my mouth it goes.
Oh, putting nuts in your mouth.
It's a metal one, so it's not. It's like a prosthetic. But am I snag? Am I snag? Okay.
Yeah, snagging on the mount.
Is it the mount I'm snagged on?
Yeah. I have to twist it counterclockwise, like maybe 90 degrees.
Might be easier said than done. And over and it's out. Oh. Hi. Hello. How are y'all? Okay. Now let's get some light on everything so we can talk to the camera again. That's it.
Wow.
That's the 20-some-year-old starter. There's the nut. And the hard part is done. Got my hands nice and dirty. We're gonna run to the Advance around the corner. Maybe they got one in stock. I can get, you know, the core charge and everything. We're gonna get some stuff for either 16 or 18 gauge wire. I'm just gonna cut it directly where that's at, and then just splice everything back together. And then
Completely severed.
They got it. Heat sleeves. We'll at least get a good temporary on the brake lines. And we're back from the store. So we did not get a starter because they did not have a starter in stock, and we can't make it 45 minutes down the road in less than half an hour. So what we did get was some terminals, some colorful stuff. We're gonna go ahead and fix that. But I was online earlier looking at starters and found them for like, I don't know, 70, 80 bucks. And I guess it's because I was in the store, they were gonna charge me 170. So I think I'm gonna just hold off on that because it seems like buying in person is going to be much more expensive. So that's that, but we're gonna go ahead and get the MAF wiring fixed, and yeah, it'll be a later day when I get back under the car to get that starter on.
Order the stuff online. So while you're ordering the starter online and getting it shipped here, might as well look for some heat sleeving as well. Get it shipped to the store at the same time.
Ain't no going back with that.
Nope.
Alright y'all, so it's been a couple days, and what I'm going to do is just show you what I have done to the car off camera. What this video is probably going to be more of a part 1 because we're still waiting for the starter. But what I can do is just finish this one out by showing you what's done to the car and what still has to be done. So let me go ahead and show you all that. The intake is back on. We've got the math patch job. It might look a little different than from earlier because I didn't like it, so I redid it. Now it's smaller and more appealing, and you see there is some nice heat shielding on the brake lines. Funny thing about that is I actually had to take brake lines off because stupid me thought, you know, heat shielding is Velcro or something. Who knows? I've got some storms rolling in, so I'm trying to rush through this and not talk too much. But because I had to take them off, brake lines emptied out, blah blah blah. I tried my best to keep something in the reservoir so it wouldn't be too bad, but before the car is actually able to go, gonna have to bleed brakes, and obviously we're still missing something there, and we're missing something down there, but we've got one on the way. Hopefully it fits. Spent many hours looking for the right, you know, part, because I don't know why it's so difficult to find a starter. I actually was looking for a starter for the motor that's in it, what it came out of, and I ended up having to search for a Corvette starter, which is just fun and ironic, but lost my train of thought. Anyway, what I did notice when I was looking at a bunch of the starters is some of the newer ones are a bit longer than the one that came off, and you saw earlier there's not much room down there between the starter and the engine mount. So who knows, maybe the one that comes in won't work, maybe the one that does will. I don't know yet. We'll just have to see in part 2.